There you go. Nicholas and Cheryl.
Yes.
Yes. So just remember this semester station and you're good.
Cool. Thank you. You saw that. 18 seconds, guys. 18 seconds. All right, onward and upward. Muster Station E, done. Check. 10:56. For anybody keeping track of when and where and how, 10:56. Sorry, sir.